Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you how to run tests in parallel using AltTester. Before we begin, you will need to have downloaded and installed the AltTester Desktop, which will help us to make the connection between tests and the Unity application. Make sure you've got the latest update installed. You'll also need to instrument your Unity app with AltTester Unity SDK 2.1 and have some tests ready to run. Check the description below for links to download the AltTester Desktop, along with tutorials on instrumenting your game with AltTester and writing your first test. For this video, I will use TrashCat, a free sample game that you can find in the Unity Asset Store. Also, I already have a set of tests that can be run on TrashCat. This project can be found on our GitHub. First of all, I will open the AltTester Desktop. As we launch it, you'll notice that the AltTester Server is up and running, waiting for the instrumented apps to connect. Now, let's open an Android build of TrashCat, which I've already instrumented with AltTester Unity SDK. The application is now connected to the AltTester Server, and as we can see, with the recent 2.1 release, we have some tags that describe the app. These tags not only serve to distinguish the application, but will also help when executing tests on specific devices. In order to run our tests in parallel, I will open another instance of the TrashCat, this time a Windows standalone build. As you can see, because we are using the community version of AltTester Desktop, we can't connect more than one app to the AltTester server. I will activate a Pro license for this, so we can continue with this tutorial. After the Pro license is activated, if we press the Restart button, the other application is connected successfully to the AltTester server. We can see the entire list of apps connected to AltTester server here. To run our tests in parallel, I added the parallelizable attribute to each test class. Also, I added the test fixture attribute, so that each device would run a different class of tests. In the assembly, I specified the level of parallelism, in our case meaning the number of devices. We can specify the platform we want to run tests on by using tags during the initialization of AltDriver. Within my test project, I've categorized certain tests to execute specifically on Windows and others on Android. We can also use other tags, such as app name, app ID, platform version, and device instance ID. To run our tests, we simply execute the .NET test command in the command prompt. And there you have it. Running tests in parallel using AltTester can greatly streamline your testing process, saving you time and effort. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.